Don't be stupid, Jack.
I'm doing this for my kids.
Just come out.
I'm too old for this shit.
Hey, Jack. Put the gun down. We can just talk about this. Put it down. Alright? Okay?
I'm not falling for it twice.
You don't have the balls.
Oh yeah? Try me!
You've been on the run for 6 months, Jack.
I can run for longer.
Go on, try it.
Shit!
Oh, shit! Oh,
Oh god!
oh, you fucking dead! Look! Fuck! Fuck yeah!
I don't know.
Ah! Ah!